Welcome. Today we are going to do another episode of Dr. David. Today we are going to do a science experiment. We are going to call the experiment Colorful Flow. So you will need a volcano base like we have right here, kind of. A yellow measuring spoon. It doesn't have to be yellow. It can be just a measuring spoon. Baking soda, citric acid, coloring agent. This is what a coloring agent is. I picked blue. And then the beaker. So this is the citric acid, and this is the baking soda right here. Then you will need a few more things. You will need water, that we have right here, dish soap, and a plate to hold this. So step number 1 is place your volcano base on the plate. We already did it. Then 2, using your yellow measuring spoon, add 2 large rounded spoonfuls of baking soda to the critter hole. That would be this if you count the same thing. Found in the top of your volcano. So this is baking soda. It says add 2 large rounded spoonfuls of baking soda. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to grab 2 large rounded spoonfuls of baking soda. One. 2. So we're done with that step. Add 1 large rounded spoonful of citric acid to the baking soda in the critter hole and mix well. So citric acid, it said add 1 large rounded spoonful of citric acid. So we have the citric acid. We're going to put it in, and it said mix well. So we're going to mix it well. It kind of looks like snow actually when they're mixed together, as you can see. There. So that was, we had to add 1 large rounded spoonful of citric acid. We did that. Then pour 50 ml, sorry, not 50, 15, pour 15 ml of water into the beaker. So 15 ml. So we have it right here. Into the beaker. So I'm going to pour it into the beaker. So I put a little too much in. Pour it out. Okay, that should be good. Into the beaker. Pour 15 ml of water into the beaker. Add 1 large spoonful of dish soap. So number 5 is add 1 large spoonful of dish soap to the beaker and mix until dissolved. So dish soap, it said 1 large spoonful. So I'm going to grab the dish soap that we had in this cup, One plus it said mixing soda. Tell me how. It's just a yellow one. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so we just did add 1 large spoonful of dish soap. Next is add a drop or 2 of coloring agent into the beaker and mix. So I'm going to do 2. I picked the blue coloring agent. It said add a drop or 2 of coloring agent into the beaker and mix. So I'm going to drop but we did that one. It said, okay, so, and then it says mix. Okay, I think that's good. Pour the mixture from the beaker into the crater hole with citric acid and baking soda. And I'm going to read number 8 before we do that. Watch your colorful eruption. So we need we don't need this. We need this. I'm going to pour it in. Let's watch it. Now you see it turned more blue, it turned lighter, but that was really cool. You see, if you turn it, you can see there's some rushing down right here. It's like so overflowing that there's there's so much in here that some of it's coming down the side. Let's watch it for a little bit more. And you can see over here there's a little bit. And then if you turn over here, there's also some coming down. As you can see right there. Right in the front right here. That's how it gets down to there. So this is really cool how there's that there. I really like the experiment. It was really cool seeing the volcano erupt. Like how we made this and poured it in, then it erupted. That was really cool. And I kind of liked my color. It's just that the dish soap is the same color as my coloring agent. But it still was really cool when it erupted. It kind of stopped it now because there's not as much eruption. But it really was a cool experiment. Bye, and remember to subscribe.